And away we go. Hello friends and welcome to Storybook Land. My name is Luis and I'll be your captain and storyteller aboard the Fauna. For your safety, please remain seated keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please supervise your children so our story does not take any unexpected turns. Now many like to travel to magical places, whether it's using Tinkerbell's pixie dust or falling down a rabbit hole, but our friend here, Monstro the Whale, is going to be taking us to a magical place called Storybook Land.
We're inside the whale, baby.
Now our story begins with the three little pigs on our right hand side who live inside the little houses, which they are made of straw, sticks, and wolf-proof bricks. Now as our story takes a strange turn in an English village where our friend Alice lived on one golden afternoon, followed a white rabbit down the rabbit hole, falling down into Wonderland. Now if that's not your cup of tea, on the right hand side is going to be London Park, where our friends Peter Pan, Michael, John, and Wendy flew over to Neverland with the help of Tinkerbell and her pixie dust, wishing that we never have to grow up. Straight ahead is going to be the enchanted city of Agrabah, where our friends Aladdin and Jasmine first met each other in a marketplace, fell in love and now live happily ever after inside the Sultan's palace. Love shines so bright, just like the twinkling lights above us. These are the same marshmallows that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin rode on their magic carpet ride over, sideways, and under to a whole new world. Straight ahead is going to be the Cave of Wonders, where Aladdin discovered a magical lamp with a genie inside that granted him 3 wishes. Shall we all make a wish inside and see if it comes true? Our friend Snow White had also made a wish after she fled from the evil queen for a safe place to live. Luckily, she stumbled upon a small cottage in the forest home of the servant doors to the right. And on our left-hand side is going to be the Blue Chateau, where Cinderella lived with her wicked stepsisters and mother, who forbade her to go to the ball that night. But Cinderella had so much fun, she stayed past midnight, causing her carriage to turn back into a pumpkin, which you can still see on top of that bridge. Many dream of a happily ever after, while others dream of drifting off to sleep on a quilted bed of flowers, just like the one on our left-hand side, inspired by our 1933 cartoon Lullaby Land. And thanks to Tinkerbell and the rest of the garden fairies, all the plants and flowers here at Storybook Land are 100% real and will never have to grow up. Straight ahead is going to be Rapunzel's Tower, where the Lost Princess herself dreamt of watching the floating lights every day. And thanks to Flynn Rider, they made that dream come true, and now they are happily ever after. Straight ahead is going to be Toad Hall, but sorry folks, it sounds like Mr. Toad isn't home right now and out on a wild adventure to nowhere in particular. Left hand side is going to be the Kingdom of Arendelle, where Queen Anna and Elsa discovered something more powerful than Elsa's ice magic, the power of love. And straight ahead is going to be a village where a woodcarver named Geppetto wished upon a star to make Pinocchio a real boy. After he stays up in the belly of Monstro, the blue fairy granted that wish and Pinocchio became a real boy after all. On our right-hand side is going to be Prince Eric's castle, where he met the little mermaid named Ariel, who wished to be part of our world, but she was part of the underwater city of Atlantica, which you'll be able to see behind the magic waterfall. Now as our story comes to an end and we are close to stop, please remain seated, keep your hands on your fingers, please head the boat at all times, and please enjoy the rest of your stay here at Disneyland. Alrighty guys, we're gonna stay seated. I'm gonna count of 3. At the count of 3, we're all gonna stand up at the same time.
Check it out.